Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'm extremely sorry that I have not been able to put out any content on this channel for the past 1 month. The past 1 month has been super busy for me. I was not been able to do any research and put out content because my content are purely research based. That's why I didn't get any time also to do any research. That's why I was a little hesitant to put out content also. I just didn't want to put any random content and for the views and other things. Also, it doesn't. It's basically again my philosophy to put out daily contents because there is nothing that is happening daily, and from a long-term investment point of view, literally you shouldn't keep a track of your investments on a daily basis. So if you're a long time investor, if you have invested in strong fundamental companies, you did not worry on a daily basis that what is happening to my stock. And literally for the past 1 month there has been nothing that is happening in the market. The Nifty was in the consolidating phase, and in the past few days we have seen a lot of high volatility in the market. It's in the correcting phase also, and you shouldn't be getting worried. The Nifty might test the 15,000 levels also, which is the 200 exponential moving day average, and there is literally nothing if Nifty gets down to 15,000 also. From the 2022 point of view, we might see economic recovery in India, but the stock market still might be in a consolidating phase, because historically we have seen that economic recovery has nothing to do with the stock market. The stock market have already predicted this economic recovery and given us the rise. So in the next year we might see consolidation, nothing happening in the market. So it makes no sense to put out any video of a stock which is in the not in the buying zone. And literally for the past 1 month, none of the stocks were in the buying zone, all were in the correcting phase. But the good thing is that the fundamental good stocks that were suggested on this channel are have not corrected that much. From a point of view of a weak fundamental stock, the weak fundamental stocks, if you see in this correction, have got hammered by 25-30% literally, whereas the strong fundamentals are still holding and have corrected only like 6 to 7%. And that's why it's always makes sense to go with fundamental good stocks and forget about it and need not worry about it, because even the Nifty might be correcting very volatility, where the volatility is very high. The strong fundamental doesn't allow your investment to go in vain, whereas this investing in fundamentally weak stocks might just wipe out your investments. So it's always beneficial to stay invested in fundamental good stocks. Also, the coming months I will be little free and has been able to put out more contents for you guys, but the content will be available only if there I have observed based on my research if any of the stock are in the buying zone. So if you guys are expecting like content weekly basis or a daily basis, that won't be happening. If whenever I find a stock which is in the buying zone, which I feel that you can add in your portfolio or you can average it at this level, that's when the content will be put out. And you can see from the behavior, or you can see from the content that I have put in past, I have literally said you the point at which it was there, and that's when you can keep tracking. And I have also suggested the buying levels, and if you would have bought at that level, you've been in a safe place at this point, even though the Nifty might have corrected by a high margin. If you guys have any doubt, or if you guys have any suggestions, please do write in the comment sections. I was very active on the comment sections. I have replied to all the comments that I got, but I've not been able to put out content, but I've replied to the comments that I have got. So if you guys feel any concern, of if you guys feel any suggestions of any stocks, you can write in the comment section. I'll definitely reply. So that's it from this video. Again, extremely sorry because of not being able to put out content, but going forward I'll definitely keep you guys updated with whatever stocks I'm buying, or whatever the stocks, if it comes in the buying zone, I'll definitely put out a content about that. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it. It will definitely encourages me to put out more content. Also, please do like and share the videos so that it gets to a larger amount of people. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Goodbye.